Unfortunately.
No, I have a right to not let you search my car.
Hold on. I don't want you reaching in your car. Stop. Stop.
Ellie.
What if I didn't drive under the influence? What if I just drank it here?
Take me out of the
This starts in a Target parking lot in Crystal Lake, Illinois. Officers tell Ellie 2 people called about her swerving. Court record reporting says police also saw traffic violations near Route 14 and Pingree Road, but the cameras only pick her up once she's already parked. All we can judge for now is what Ellie tells them, and whether her answers hold up in the end.
I'm sorry, hello.
Hi, miss. I'm Officer Coster with the Crystal Lake Police Department. We're just talking to you because we got a couple complaints that you might have been swerving on the road, or...
I don't think I was.
You don't think you were?
No.
Maybe it was a phone, you're on your phone or for something? Or...
No, I'm just a bad driver. I failed
You're
my
a bad
driving
driver?
test twice.
Okay.
Okay.
Trust me, I'm trying to drive nice.
Hey, we need you to step out, okay? You're gonna come and talk with us over here, okay? All right, my dear. Here, put your butt right against there. This officer is gonna ask you some questions, okay?
So, have you been drinking at all tonight? No? You just maybe on your phone or something?
Maybe, yeah.
Where are you coming from?
Carrie, I'm on my music a lot.
Your music? Okay. Do you have your ID on you?
I can check.
I just need to look at where you're reaching, my dear. It's right there? Okay. All right, you good?
Yes, I'm
Okay.
sorry, I'm just stressed.
All right,
I don't.
why are you
Why are you
so...
stressed?
Because I've been pulled over like once before.
Okay, here, put your butt right back there, okay?
2004, how old does that make you?
That makes me 18.
18? Okay.
What's your first name?
Ellie.
Ellie? Hey, Ellie. Do you know what time it is right now? Don't without looking. Guess.
About like 6:30.
Okay, it's right now it's 7:15. Is there anything that you did today that you think in terms of medications, alcohol, prescribed, not prescribed drugs, weed, anything like that you took today that you think would impair your driving?
No.
Okay. Have you had any alcoholic beverages today?
No. I have been sober for 6.5 months.
Okay. What about marijuana? Any marijuana today? Okay. When was the last time you smoked marijuana?
I'm sober from alcohol, but not marijuana. But
Okay.
marijuana was probably like yesterday or 2 days ago.
Yesterday or 2 days
But
ago.
I don't think it would impair my driving today.
Okay. All right. So since you've been at Target, you have not consumed any alcoholic
No.
beverages. Okay.
No.
And
they could check the cameras and see that I didn't.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there anything illegal that you may have in the car?
No.
Okay. So you have no alcohol in the car?
No.
Okay. No cannabis, weed in the car? No prescription medication not prescribed to you
No.
or any other drugs in the car?
Like, what's it called? What's it called when you take things that are like extra vitamins for you?
Like multivitamins?
Kind of, but like,
Nothing.
If it's something like over the counter,
yeah, it's
we're not
over
talking
the
about
counter.
like
They
that.
sell them at Target.
Yeah.
That's not. Like,
Supplements, that's what it's
Supplements,
called.
okay.
Yes, I've taken some supplements.
Again,
but
our concern is we had 2 people call in saying that you were swerving on the road, and we just wanted to make sure you're okay to drive.
And stumbling.
That's why.
Okay.
That's why.
After they saw you get out of your car.
I promise you, I am.
So
I could literally call my boyfriend and tell you how clumsy I am.
So here's the deal, though. Okay, I appreciate it. All right, I appreciate what you're saying to me. However, we have a little bit of a problem. Okay, so I'm gonna give you an opportunity to be honest with me. Okay, because when you opened your door, I saw the bottle of vodka that's in your driver's side of your door.
I don't have any.
Okay. Well, I saw it.
Well,
hold on. I don't want you reaching in your car.
Well,
Okay.
you could open the door.
Okay,
and
I'll
see
open
it.
the door. You can stand with Officer Costa right here.
I'm just saying I don't have a bottle of vodka on my side door.
Okay,
and you
so
can open
you're
that and
okay
look at
with
it.
me opening and looking?
Yes.
Maybe she saw it wrong or something. Okay?
Yes,
We're
she
just
can
checking,
open
okay?
and look at it. Okay.
So, okay. So now we have a problem. Okay.
What?
I have a really big problem.
What?
Okay. Now we're not cool.
Why?
Okay. And I'll explain to you why we're not cool. Because I saw it there.
I promise you it wasn't
Here.
there.
Everything's on video, okay?
Okay.
So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna have you stand by with these officers and I'm gonna search your vehicle.
You don't have the warrant to do that.
Actually, I have probable cause because I observed alcohol.
You don't have warrant to do that.
Because I observed
I have a
alcohol.
right to not let you search my car.
Okay, so
I have a right to not let you search my car.
Unfortunately.
No, I have a right to not let you search my car.
We're not doing this.
I have a right
Ellie,
to not let you search my
Ellie,
car.
Ellie,
We're not doing this.
don't.
Come on, let's go. Get back.
You know my rights,
not
and
touch
you
me.
know I have a right to
Do
not let you
touch me.
search my car.
Okay, listen.
There's a
I
little
don't.
weed in the center console. There's a pipe I see.
Yeah, and
Listen,
they don't have a right to search my car.
listen to me.
They don't. I've
Listen to me.
I've been pulled over before, and I know you don't have a right to search my car.
Chill out. Okay.
I know
Because
you.
I don't want to have to put you in handcuffs right now.
I know you don't have a
Okay.
right to search my car.
You need
It's
to
an
relax.
exception to the law. It's called a mobile conveyance.
You guys looked in my car before you had the right to search my car,
Listen.
and you saw the weed,
Listen.
and so you don't have a right to search my car.
It's also plain
Listen.
view. Yes.
Listen.
You don't have a right to search my car.
I do.
No, you don't.
Okay, so
no,
Ellie,
you don't.
Ellie,
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 we
do
don't
not
wanna put you in
touch me like
handcuffs.
that.
I'm telling you.
I'm
Just
gonna tell you
cooperate with
one
us
more
and-
time, dear.
I'm
Don't
telling
touch
you
me
for a
like
fact
that.
you don't have a right
Okay.
to search my car.
So listen to me. This is gonna go one of two ways, okay? I would rather not put you in handcuffs. I don't want to put you in handcuffs, okay? I don't want to. If you're cooperative, we can figure this out and work through it.
I'm just
okay?
saying you can't search my car without a warrant
Well,
with seeing a bowl in my car. You can't search my car without a warrant.
So I know the law. Probably.
I know the law
Okay.
because I've looked it up, and I know you can't search my car without a warrant, so I'm not allowing you
Ellie,
to.
I'm giving you one of two choices.
I know you
Ellie,
can't search my car without a warrant.
Ellie,
You guys know
Ellie,
this.
Ellie, these are your choices. You can go stand by that squad car with these two gentlemen, okay? That's your first choice. If you do not want to do that, your second choice is I'm going to put you in handcuffs, okay? Which
You
do you
can't
choose?
search my car without a warrant.
Which do you choose?
You
I'm going to
can't-
give you. I'm not arguing with you. I'm
you can't-
going to give you one opportunity right now.
You can't search my
What
car
is your-
without a warrant.
Ellie, it's all on body cam.
You can't search my car
Yes,
without a
we can.
warrant. No, you
Okay.
can't.
Turn around.
Alright.
Turn around.
Do
We're
not handcuff
gonna
me.
do
I
this.
have.
We're not gonna do this. We're not gonna do this.
Chill. Turn around.
Please don't handcuff me. I'll go with them to the car. I'll go with them to the car
Ellie,
right now.
Ellie.
Please don't handcuff me.
Ellie.
We already spoke about this. We gave you the option.
Don't handcuff me. I'll go to the car with them right now.
I need.
Please.
You have my hand.
I'll go to the car with them right now. Please
Ellie.
don't handcuff
Ellie,
me.
we're not gonna do
Ellie.
this. We're not gonna do
Ellie,
this.
stop. You got it?
I can't be handcuffed. Please, I'm trying to walk to the
Ellie,
car. I can't
stop.
be handcuffed.
Stop. Okay, right now you're being placed under arrest, okay? For, well, we're gonna figure it out. It's at least, we'll go illegal consumption of alcohol by a minor right now, okay? Do you have... Stop. Stop.
Ellie,
Stop.
let's not do that.
Stop it. Stop it.
Ellie denied having alcohol or weed in the car. The officer says she saw vodka, and Ellie then admits there's weed and a pipe in the console. The officer calls the arrest at least an underage alcohol offense, then says they'll figure out the rest.
Take me out of the handcuffs.
Stop.
I got it. You're just making it worse for yourself, Ellie. Come on.
You are
Take them off. Take them off.
Listen to me. Take a deep breath. Listen to me.
Can you please take the handcuffs
you,
off? Do you understand?
you have to stop screaming.
I have a scar.
Stop screaming. Stop screaming.
Take a deep breath right now.
Stop talking.
Take a deep breath.
Listen to me. You can't fight with us.
I won't. Just please take me
I
out of
cannot take you out of the handcuffs because of how out of control you're being right now.
I'll sit in this
If
car.
you chill out,
I'll sit in this car if you please take the handcuffs off.
well, I cannot have you unhandcuffed. It's my policy. I can get fired for it.
I will stay
Okay.
in this car the entire time.
Well, I'm gonna need you to sit in the car anyway, but I promise. Chill. You have to chill out.
Please take off the handcuffs.
Okay.
Please.
Right now, I can't. You know why?
I'll sit here if you take off the handcuffs.
Okay.
If not, I'll run out.
Ellie, listen to me, okay? Because of everything that just happened, I need to ensure that you're safe. How about we try to do some breathing, okay?
He can buckle me up if you take off the handcuffs, please.
Sweetheart,
he can't buckle
sweetheart,
me
I
if not.
cannot.
He can't buckle me if not.
So listen, this is the deal. If you keep fighting like this, my sergeant's on his way here, and he has this device called the wrap, and it completely restrains you. If you can't calm yourself down the way we are now, I am going to have to put you in that, and I don't want to do that. So we have to stop.
Once someone is under arrest and still fighting, officers generally keep the cuffs on. They aren't required to take them off just because the person asks, even when the person says it hurts.
Okay?
What if I didn't drive under the influence? What if I just drank it here?
Well, you
I didn't drive under the influence.
Well,
you could
that's,
breathalyze me right now and it would come up
that's-
as more recent.
that's for, sweetheart, that's for you to fight in court.
Okay, I'll fight
And
that.
and that's
I'll
okay.
say that I was gonna have someone come pick me up here.
That's fine.
I was calling my sister.
I'm okay with that. Sweetheart, you can fight that in court, but right now you're under arrest. So this is what I have to do. I have to take you to the police department.
Please don't.
And if I take you to the police department, that's when the cuffs are going to come off quicker.
So the quicker. No.
Okay. All right, well, listen to me. If I put your seatbelt on, we can get you there in 5 minutes and the handcuffs will come off. Sweetheart, we'll figure it all out, okay? Can I put your seatbelt on now? Can we go? Can we go to get these handcuffs off you, Ellie?
I just want to drive home.
I know. Officer Barillo is going to hand me this so I can put it on you.
Can you call her instead of my
I
parents?
will. Yes, I can. Yes.
That what if isn't an admission, but it is a new argument. Ellie first said she hadn't been drinking at all. Now she's asking what happens if she drank after parking and planned to get a ride. If that's really her story, the obvious follow-up is when she parked and when she started drinking.
Ellie, what was I talking about earlier? Take a deep breath, okay?
Ellie, I'm really trying to prevent you from being wrapped, but you're gonna put me in... You know your sister's number? Do you need your phone?
That's why they're getting my phone. I just said that, dumb. Are you drunk? Fucking dumb. You can't take my vapes though, because my parents buy those for me. You can't take those from me. My parents buy those for me, and I'm 18, and that used to be the age, so you can't take those from me.
You can't have it in the back seat. We'll just put it back in the car. How's that?
No, you're gonna take it then. You can't take it from me, or else you have to give me $27.
Okay.
There's a vape in between.
Okay. So this is the deal. I need to take the vape.
No,
Okay.
you can't.
Ellie, come on.
You can't. Then
Listen,
give me
I'm-
$27 because I just paid all my. I paid.
I'm gonna put it in your car. Okay.
You're gonna put it in
I'm
my
gonna
car.
put it in your car right now. Okay.
Can I hit it first?
No, you cannot.
I'm really stressed. Then you can't take it. Don't
here.
take it. Don't take it.
have-
I need it first.
But you are just playing games, girl.
No, I just want my nicotine.
Okay. Well, you can have it. I told you. I'm gonna leave it in your car because you're right. It's not illegal to possess, but
My parents bought it for me. They're 21. They can buy it, and I can have it. I just want to hit it before it's gone from me for 5 hours.
No, Jesus.
Can you please put it in my car? That's what she said.
No, because I told you not to hit it.
What? She told me it was good.
Yeah, but she also told you not to
it
hit
was
it.
gonna go in my car. Please put it in my car. I just paid $27 for that.
Take a deep breath.
what's in your pants right here? Is it just your? Don't reach. Do not reach. Oh, okay. We have a retail theft.
No.
We're gonna pull her out, and she's gonna search her completely. And if we have to put her back in the car and put her in the rack,
Oh, that's
what
fine.
we're
Okay.
Get her out, search.
Yep.
Please.
Ellie, if you fight, I'm gonna put you in the
I
rack.
don't know what you're reaching for. Stop reaching for
I'm not
things.
reaching for anything.
Ellie, what I'm gonna do is a little bit more of a thorough search, just like.
You can't touch me. I give you not
Stop
permission
yelling.
to
Stop
touch
yelling.
me.
Ellie,
I don't
Ellie,
give you
Ellie.
permission to touch me. I don't give you permission to touch me. I don't give you permission to touch
Ellie.
me. I don't give you permission to touch me. Just because you're out.
For yourself. You're just making it work for yourself, Ellie.
Out. Just because you're with the law does not mean you can touch
making it
me
worse for yourself.
without consent.
You lay
Ah! Ah! Stop touching me!
Wrap her feet right
You
now.
guys are old men! Stop!
Here, come here.
Stop touching me! Stop!
Okay, I got.
Keep touching me!
Hey, listen. You have to stop, Ellie.
Stop fighting. Stop fighting.
Stop fighting.
Ellie, stop fighting.
Let me stand up and not be hurt by these f***ing handcuffs! Blue lights matter, you guys.
She's in the lake.
You are hurting me!
Lower the buckle first.
You guys are abusing me! I'm gonna bring you all to f***ing court! You I'm gonna bring...
Stop.
Ellie, you're making it worse for yourself. Stop resisting. Go ahead. All right, ready?
Ready?
1, 2,
2,
3.
3. Set her up.
You guards!
Ellie, if you continue to dig your nails into me,
I'm gonna dig them as deep as you're digging those handcuffs into me, you dick! The cops, bro! I hate all of you guys!
Ellie, are you injured?
Yes, my wrist.
Okay.
You.
Double check your
Ellie,
cuffs,
stop digging your fingernails
If
into
you
my
fight
hands.
him, he can't check your cuffs.
They hurt. It hurts.
Hold on. Ellie, Ellie, stop. I'm trying to help you.
Trying to help.
I'm trying to help
Let go
you.
of it. It hurts.
You have to stop. You're pulling on it.
It hurts.
Okay, stop so we can fix it, okay?
Hey.
Ellie,
Hey.
Ellie,
I did that on purpose.
All right, just put her in.
I did that on purpose.
Really, you can just take her straight to county.
What the f? What?
We gotta lift her up, put her in.
What?
Hold on, wait, 1, 2, 3.
Dude, I'm gonna bring you guys to court and do something.
Local court record reporting says the criminal complaint accused Ellie of biting 2 officers, spitting on 2 others, grabbing an officer's wrist, and digging her nails into officers' hands and legs. Those are allegations, and this footage doesn't clearly show all of it. It doesn't settle Ellie's claims of abuse either.
Who has my vape? Who is gonna answer? Who has my vape? My boyfriend's gonna kill me. He's gonna break up with me. Ah! Ah! I'm stuck. Help me. Help me, please. Ow! Help! Help! Help!
Hey, Ellie, we're almost
Don't
there.
hit your head so you don't fall again,
Just
okay?
please get me there.
That's what we're doing.
Yeah, we're right
Will
around
it take
the corner.
$100?
Stop.
Will it take
Sheesh.
Will it take $100? Can you please answer me?
Talk to me when you get there.
Will it take $100 for my sister?
Don't do that again.
It hurts. Ah! Ah! You! Please let me out. Thank you. Please unbuckle this. I need to get out. I need to get out.
All right, we're gonna get you out, okay? I'm gonna put this on your head, okay? All right, hold on.
I can't breathe. I'm thirsty. Get this out of my mouth. Get this out of my mouth. Get these handcuffs off of me. Get this out of my mouth. Get the handcuffs off of me.
1, 2, 3.
You're not gonna get anywhere like that. Okay,
I need to go home.
in the morning.
No, right now.
No. When you calm down, let me know and I'll get you booked in the process and I'll get you on the phone. But you have to show me that you're gonna calm down and you're gonna behave.
I need to go
Okay?
home.
You will in the morning.
No, I need you right
No.
now.
So Ellie,
I need
calm down. Ellie, calm down. When you calm down, let me know, okay? I'm here all night.
The reported charges grew to 2 counts of driving under the influence, resisting, underage alcohol possession, and at first, 5 counts of aggravated battery on an officer. A grand jury later returned 4 of those battery counts. The retail theft an officer called out during the search never showed up in that charge list. Those impaired driving counts are the ones to sit with, because the footage never shows what would prove them. There's no driving on camera, no field sobriety test, and no breath result you can check. Ellie was just as sure the law was on her side. So who was actually right about the search? Ellie or the officers? Tell us where you land in the comments.